40 years old from Singapore, and today is exactly 7 years the day that he have done the smart FEE procedure. 2,000 grafts were harvested from the donor area and were planted at the recipient area. Let's have to look 7 years progress. Today we can see it's already 7 years and is undetectable. It looks like he has never done a hair transplant. In the smart FU technique, when we harvest homogeneously, so is unable to see that the graft was harvested here. 1 years, 2,000 graft was put inside here to tackle his M shape. This is the left frontal temple angle. This is the forelock area. This is the right frontal temple angle. Light is unable to go through here. So as we can comb, you can see this is a very natural result. Now, this is the hairline that we have planted. The angle, the direction in place correct. Alright, it's already 7 years.
Yes.
Would you like to tell us about the result?
I'm happy with the result, and now after 7 years, my hair is still maintaining. I'm overall happy with it.
Procedure is done correctly, you will get the hair that is permanent. Now the hair 7 years still sustained. So patient is very happy with the progress.